Hello YouTube, Mike here. Here's what's going on today. And this is about a 95 or 96 Ford Ranger tailgate. And this gentleman has some issues on the bottom of this gate with rust. And so we're going to see if we can patch that in for him. The front face is not too bad. We just have one area here where we have to cut it out and replace that metal. And we have a donor tailgate over here. It's in pretty bad shape, but hopefully we can get enough metal off of it to make patches. And we've dropped off the bandsaw project, and we have been working on this blade welder a little bit though, and we've removed a lot of the paint off the face of this blade welder, and we've polished up the blade station a little bit, and we'll get back on that as soon as we get done with this tailgate. So hang on, and we'll get started. See ya. First of all, I'm just cutting out the places that I can see from the surface that are bad. As we get into it deeper, we'll probably find more thin spots, and we'll just keep cutting it out until we get into good metal. And now we'll start making some patches. First of all, we're going to run a grinder along this edge to release this folded over material here, get that out of the way. And then we need to bend up this flap here, and we want to save that if we can. And then we'll get on the other side and we'll cut that patch loose with a cut-off wheel. and here's the top patch. Boy, that metal's thin. It's rusted thinner than I really thought, but I think that'll hold. So we'll work on the other side. We'll wait to grind this flush until we get the other side in. All right, next step. Okay guys, we're going to call this done. This fella is going to put bed liner down in this part down in here. So we're not going to do a real highly finished job on it. Like I say, this is an old beat up tailgate, just barely worth saving, but he'll be able to get a few more years out of this thing now. And so we'll wrap this up right here. And this down in here, this I put seam sealer along this joint right here. It's all cured up real good. Okay guys, that's it for the tailgate. We'll see you later. Take care. And here's a curious thing. This bird goes around from window to window trying to get in. And this has taken place ever since early summer. It drives my cats crazy. That bird ain't right.